Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we are changing our shower head to the Kohler Converge type shower head. It says no tool installation, that means no tools required to install this. It comes with a flexible hose and the shower head. That's how it looks. It does come out. For easy installation, we're going to install this part and install this one later. It does come with the little packet of Teflon tape, and we're going to use it on the pipe, on the stab out pipe that comes out from the wall. First thing, naturally, we're going to remove the existing shower head. As you can see inside, we got a rubber gasket. If it's a rubber gasket installed, that means you don't need the Teflon tape. Let's try to install it and see if it's going to leak. We're going to just thread it in to that stab out pipe and just make it hand tight. Next step would be to install this flexible hose. Again, as you can see, the rubber gasket, that means no Teflon tape required. Last thing we're going to install is that handheld piece of the shower head. It does have magnets inside of it, so proper way to install it, put it on the bottom part and then it goes up and it just stays there. In order to remove it, you push it that way and it comes out. At this point we can turn on the water and see if it's leaking or not. When you install it, and if it will leak in 3 connections. Here, here, and or here. And we can see, in our case, nothing is leaking. As you see, we didn't put any Teflon tape anywhere, and it doesn't leak anywhere, so we're good to go. Thank you for watching. This is Legacy Handyman. All the parts and materials you can find in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.